I ascended to the high country, and from an eminence I had a view of the plains for a great distance. From this eminence I had a view of a greater number of buffalo than I had ever seen before at one time. I must have seen near 20,000 of those animals feeding on this plain. The buffalo during the last 3 days had covered the whole country so completely that it appeared oftentimes extremely dangerous even for the immense cavalcade of the Santa Fe traders to attempt to break its way through them. We traveled at a rate of 15 miles a day. The length of the site on either side of the trail, 15 miles. On both sides, 30 miles. 15 times 3 equals 45, times 30 equals 1,350 square miles of country so thickly covered with these noble animals that when viewed from a height, it scarcely afforded a sight of a square league of its surface. What a quantity of food for the sustenance of the Indian and the white pilgrim of these plains! It would have been gratifying to have seen the beam kick over the immense frames of some of those bulls, but all that any of us could do was to guess or reckon their weight, and contend about the indubitable certainty of our several suppositions. In these disputes, 2 butchers took the lead, and the substance of their discussions that could interest the reader is that many of the large bulls would weigh 3,000 pounds and upwards, and that, as a general rule, the buffalo were much larger and heavier than the domesticated cattle of the states. We were in view of the Arkansas at 4 o'clock p.m. The face of the earth was visible again, for the buffalo were now seen in small herds only. The whole country appeared one mass of buffaloes, moving slowly northward. Only when among them could it be ascertained that the apparently solid mass was an agglomeration of innumerable small herds of 50 to 200 animals. This herd was about 5 days in passing a given point, or not less than 50 miles deep. From the top of Pawnee Rock, I could see from 6 to 10 miles in almost every direction. The whole space was covered with buffaloes, looking at a distance like one compact mass, the visual angle not permitting the ground to be seen.